Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can duplicate an app project you create on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. Alright, so head over to your app project, and there is no duplicate feature per se, but they call it different here on Lovable AI. So let me show you where you can find that function. If you'd like to save, for example, your app project as a copy or duplicate, and then use it as a template for future app projects. So to do that, click into your app project's name here in the top left, and after that, guys, select remix this project, and you may include the project history here, and there you go. It describes exactly what I just said, and that's it. Wait for a brief moment. And then you will see the remix or a duplicate copy of your app project. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.